Honda is unveiling a new concept car at the Tokyo Auto Salon in Japan, previewing a new model for the Super GT series. The concept car, called the Civic Type R-GT, has been developed based on the current road-going Civic Type R and is set to replace the NSX-GT Type S. The prototype features Honda Racing Corporation's signature colors of red, blue, and white, and was unveiled by HRC President Koji Watanabe. While the concept car bears a resemblance to the road-legal version, there are significant differences between the two. The race car is driven by the rear wheels. Unlike the front-wheel drive layout of the Civic Type R, Honda has not released detailed information about the mechanics of the car, but has stated that the concept car shows the direction in which the final version of the race car will evolve during development.